Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Oleh बड़क के दिन मेरा चुप बैठो म्यूट है म्यूट म्यूट कैसे करते चुप चुप
Hello, Musfira. How are you? Quickly check my teacher.
Hello.
கேக்குதா கேக்குதா ஓகே அப்படியே அங்க போ
Okay.
வந்து இப்படி உட்காரு
Hi. Hi.
ஹலோ
ऑन कर लेंगे ना अल्लाह
Hello.
Wonderful to see all of you. Good afternoon, Aparna ma'am. How are you?
Teacher, hello, Maria.
Right, I can see all of you out there excited. There are you all. All right, fantastic. Aparna ma'am, good afternoon and thank you so much for being here. Aisha, Musfira, Yahya, all of you, wonderful to see you. Nusaiba, okay, you all excited?
Yes,
All right.
yes.
Fantastic, fantastic. This is wonderful. All right, I've got a lot of chatter right now. Who wants to speak up to me? Yahya, how are you? Oh, Nusaib. Yeah, Yahya, you will have to switch off your mobile. Please put yourself in mute. Thank you. Right, Mustafa, I can't see you. Musfi, both the Musfiras, how are you? Can you say hello to me?
Nah, nothing.
All right, good. We'll just wait. Aparna ma'am, we'll wait for a few more students to join in. Yeah,
Yes,
I think
definitely.
I can see all the young ones all excited and pumping. Aisha, how are you, Aisha? That's nice. Are you enjoying your classes?
Yes.
That's so nice of you. And how are the previous classes? You like coloring, you said, right? You like doodling and coloring? Yeah, so we're gonna have all of you. Have you got your pencil and paper? Yeah, so if you haven't got, go take a minute. Yeah, Mustafa, you got your pencil and paper? Can you show me your pencils? All right, Nusaiba, fantastic. All right, Umar, you got your pencil and paper? Brilliant. Aisha Fahmida, oh, brilliant. There you are. Yahya, I can't see you. Where is your pencil and paper? Lafira, where is Lafira and Nofil? Can I see you, Lafira, Nofil? All right, once your few more kids join in, then we're going to get started, right? Oh, we have 2 minutes, don't worry. So you all absolutely, you know, the kids are like very particular. So we still have 2 minutes to do. Umayma, how are you, Umayma?
Hi, Umi.
Okay, come here. I'm going to...
अब्बू आप दिख रहे हो? आप दिख रहे हो? I am fine. आप देख रहे हो?
Can you see me? Okay, 1 minute. Can I quickly go on and... Okay, I'm going to just put everybody on mute now. Okay? You all are on mute. Except me. So... All right, now we got a lot of students in here again, so it is brilliant. Very quickly again, welcome. Oh, my Hermione is here. How are you, Misbah? Hold on, I'll just unmute all of you. 1 minute again. There you are. How are you, Misbah? Are you good?
I'm good, sir.
That's so nice, right? This is wonderful. Aparna ma'am, this entire bunch is ready now. I think I'll hand them over to you. Just a minute, so everyone else is muted except you, Aparna ma'am. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome to Hub Schooling. These are kids from all over the place. we got one of our youngest one actually was a mentor last time. So she took a class, the 8-year-old Misbah out there from Pune. And we've got kids
Wow.
from Tamil Nadu, from Kolkata, from Mumbai, from Gulf, all over the place. So there you are. By the way, Aparna ma'am is a brilliant artist. She is a terranium, sketcher. I would love to see some of your terraniums. I love it. By the way, you create a mini world in it. So if you have any of it in the
Yes.
house, we will,
Hello, hi, bolo.
yeah, all of you.
Hi.
So she has something
Hello.
right there.
Yeah, I have just one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you see this?
Wow. Isn't this nice? Can you bring it a little closer, ma'am? Can we all become tiny people and go and share and live there? Thank you
Can
so
see
much,
small
Aparna ma'am.
hearts. Okay.
This is all yours. The kids are all yours. Go ahead, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Hi, friends. How are you doing?
I will.
I hope you all are ready and excited for some doodling. It's okay. You can keep the mic off. So before we start, I want you to see my little cutie cat. Say hi. Her name is Shona. And today we are going to do animal doodling. So I thought I'll introduce my Shona to you.
It's a cute cat. Yesterday we had a lab from one of our teachers' lab too. She had 2 lab dogs, Labradors, and now we have a lovely little cat out there. Beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, so today we are going to play a little game. I'm going to be drawing one animal slowly, part by part, and I want you all to draw along with me and then guess which animal it is. Are you ready? So let's take paper and pen. Can you see me? I think I will need the mic so I can hear the kids because I
Okay.
have no idea. Yeah.
No, absolutely fine. I'm always I'm there. So you keep continuing. You want to explain to them what is doodling as an art, and you want to start talking about your experiences, ma'am, Aparna ma'am.
Yeah, 1 second.
All the others, can you mute yourself? Yahya, please. Hazik, can you mute yourself? Kanta ma'am, can 3 of you please mute yourself, please?
Hi. Doodling is basically you just roughly draw something for fun, and then sometimes the doodling for fun just turns out into something very creative and very amazing looking. So let me start with some animal doodling today. So this is very easy and everybody can do it with me. Can you see me?
Yes, we can see the paper. I'll make the speaker's view.
Okay. And I want all the children to guess which animal I'm doing. Can anybody guess?
You can, I unmuted, you can go ahead and shout your answers if you want to.
Elephant.
Elephant. Correct. Now I want you children to tell me something about an elephant. Tell me something about an elephant.
I should also draw.
Okay, can I, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to each one of you who has raised a hand. I'll go to one of you and then you have to tell me about the elephant. All right. Musfira Sayyed wants to speak about elephant.
Hi, Syed.
Yeah, go ahead, Musfira.
About an elephant. And the rest can draw along with me.
Okay. I'm putting you on the speaker's view so you can see the drawing much better, okay? Can you keep speaking so you will be on the speaker's view, ma'am?
Yes. So can I see your drawing? Has anybody completed along with me?
Why don't we start from beginning, Aparna ma'am? I think I'll request you so they can
Okay.
follow you one more step. Yeah, is that better? So all of you on your screen.
Okay. So shall I? Yeah.
Yeah,
Can everybody see me?
Yeah, we'll do very slowly now, and all of you can start doing one line at a time with her.
Excuse me.
Yes, tell me. How's it?
Yeah, repeat again.
Yeah, we will start from beginning, Fatima, from one line at a time. Go ahead, Aparna ma'am. We'll start one line at a time. Okay, line one, line two. We'll stop here, Aparna ma'am, and you can ask them. Have you done line one and line two? A small curve and an oval here. Everybody,
So I
keep showing
would
your
like to see. Yeah.
keep showing your papers to your teacher. Do that.
Hello, Fatima. Have you done? Okay, I can see.
Ma'am, I cannot see you.
1 minute.
Okay, I'm showing you my drawings so that you can copy my drawing.
Have a word. Look at the drawing, all of you. 1 minute.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am.
I want to see your drawing now.
Show your drawings. I'm
Yes.
putting you from the different views. Show your drawings, please. Okay, can you see them, Aparna ma'am?
Just done till here.
Okay. Is it easy for you to see? Aparna ma'am, are you there? Hold on. Did I lose her? 1 minute, sorry.
You.
Yeah, please speak up, Aparna ma'am.
Yeah. So I can see some of the drawings, and some of the drawings are not very clear. Yes, I can see Musfira, and I cannot see Aisha.
Okay, show your drawings, Zingi, Aisha, Omar. Just put it up on the screen and she can see it for you.
Yes, this one is very good. Lafira and Mustafa has done a good job.
All right, we're getting there.
Very good. Very good. Okay, can I continue?
Can we go to the next steps now?
Yes.
Go ahead. Okay, we are back to the screen.
Can you see the little tail?
Okay, can you see the tail now? Now we come to little. Can you do the curve, everybody? Is that go? Raise your hand or show your pencils if you have done. Everybody, show your pencils if you have done. So we'll take one step. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. Umaima, Lafira, I can Nofel, fantastic. Umar Sadiq, Musfi. I can't see Hamna's pencil. Hazik pencil, good. Khadija pencil. Zainab, Zingi, Fatima, Yahya, Musfira, Rizwani. Just show your pencils. Yeah. Okay. Aparna ma'am, can you see them now? Did I lose
Yes,
her?
I can see
Okay,
them.
brilliant. Yes. Misbah, can you show a pencil? Omar, Aisha, and Ammar. You want to go ahead now? Yes, ma'am. We can go ahead.
Okay, so I'm going ahead with another leg, second leg of the elephant.
Okay.
Has everyone seen it? Has everyone done it?
So,
That's nice, Lafira. Umayma, I can't see your drawing.
We will do it again. Don't worry, but just take your time. Enjoy the first elephant. He might be thinner than the one. Don't worry. All of you who can't see ma'am's screen, just tap on it if you're on a mobile or a tablet. If you're on a computer, just click on it and say pin it. Just help your ask your parents to say pin it, and you will always see ma'am's screen there.
So can you all think of what elephants are good at along with your drawing?
Okay, what are elephants good at?
Can I start with 1 point? Yes.
Swimming.
Okay. And they are what? They are good at playing and
Playing in water.
playing in water. Wow. So they love
Playing
showers
water.
all
They
the
can
time.
lift heavy things.
Yes, they can lift heavy things because they have a strong trunk.
They can't sit on the tree because they eat trees from elephant
Okay.
trees.
And they have big ears.
Yes, and they
Yeah,
have
they
got
have big.
trunk. Yes.
And what else?
बताओ इसने लोग क्या बोलने को
Okay.
Okay,
They
now
have a
everyone is done.
small tail.
Yeah, they have. And their body
They
is
have
very
a small tail.
pointed hair.
They have small tail.
They have a small tail. Okay. And what do they use the ears for, you know? They use the ears to fan themselves.
They have a very nice
So now,
memory.
yeah, and they have a very nice,
Memory.
excellent. They have
They
excellent
always-
memory. And
they
elephants are very loving.
They always live in their herd.
Yes, they
Always
always
live in
live
the herd.
together. Very good.
Can you unmute yourself, Zainab, Misbah, Rushda? If you want to speak up, I will just again do that. All of you should be able to unmute yourself. So go ahead. When you want to speak to your teacher, do that. Okay. How are you going? Is it going fine, Aparna ma'am? Can you see some of them making it?
They are great.
Yes, now can you all show me your artwork?
Mama, photo लाओ ना इधर.
Very nice, Hamna. Lafira, damn good. Excellent, Aisha and Amar. Khadija, very nice. Mustafa, excellent job. Everybody is doing very well. Shall I go ahead? Can I make another line?
Yes.
I think we can go ahead, can't we?
Yes. So I have made 1 ear of the elephant. Can you all see it? Just one line here and one big curve here. Very nice, Lafira. A slightly bigger ear.
Something very new
Good.
for these kids. They're doing very well.
Good, no part. Excellent, excellent job. Aisha and Amar, very good. I can see your work.
Like this.
Umaima, very nice. And Musfira. Can I go ahead?
Yes.
Okay, we will go ahead.
Okay, so now we make the head of the elephant. Can you see that?
No.
Okay.
Doodling is very easy. Whoever is done can show me a thumbs up. Okay. Aisha and Amar, now show me your drawing also. Very nice. Excellent, Umar, Khadija. Musfira, I want to see your drawing. Very nice. Great, everybody is doing awesome. Can I go ahead? Can I make the trunk of the elephant?
Yes. Correct. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so now there's a little curve here, and then we take it and curve it here. I'll show you again.
பட்டன் தான் தருவாங்க யாரும் சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க ஓகே
Lafira and Nofal. Yes, I like it. A little bit on the screen.
yes
Aisha and Amar, very good. Aisha, very cute. I like your drawing. Even Khadija is great. Everybody is excellent. Umaima, very nice. Amina, excellent. Hamna, very good. You guys are better than me. Can I go ahead?
yes
Everybody is done? Okay. So now, another curve here like this to complete the trunk. Are you all enjoying it? I want to see your thumbs up again if you're enjoying
yes
it. So sweet.
अंकल में 5 वापस से बोला तुम सही से
Great, Kumar. Khadija, excellent. Now show me a drawing if you completed. Musira, good. Excellent. Aisha, excellent. Hamna, very nice. Hamdan, very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Amina, very nice.
And me.
Zingy. That's nice. Just lift your pad a little bit. Yes, I can see it now. Nice. Good, Amina, very nice. Now, can I go ahead? We'll make some eye for the elephant.
Yes.
Okay. Just make one small curve here for the second ear. We can't see it completely. So just one small curve here. Can you see this? One small curve here. And the elephant has a small eye. So we just make one dot here. Can you see this? Can everybody see the elephant eye?
Yes.
Now let's make some grass for the elephant to eat.
Yes.
Just mountain shapes. And I'm going to name this elephant. Nice, nice, Umar. Khadija, nice. Let's name her Ellie. So, what is her name? Who has finished the drawing? Very nice, I'm done. Zingi Zainab, good. Umaima, good.
My drawing is complete.
Hamdan, very nice.
My drawing is complete.
Okay, so what is the name of this elephant? Very nice, Umar, Khadija, Mustafa.
Ellie.
Ellie.
My
Great.
elephant's name is Ellie.
Excellent. So now we are going to make some friends for the elephant. So Ellie is going to have 3 friends. Shall we start drawing them? Have you finished?
What?
We have to make friends for the elephant. It's living in a jungle and it has friends, right?
Yes.
Yes. So let's make friend for Ellie. So again, I'm going to draw this animal and you have to guess which one it is. Everybody is ready?
How is it going, all of you? Is it going fine? Yeah, Ellie. Hamdan just restarted. All right. So, Aparna ma'am, before we start, there's a little game that we've created for them. Just 3-4
Okay.
slides. So I will just, so all of you, can you just show me your pencils and eyes on the screen again, all of you? Where do they use the Google? Sorry, I just already answered. In Google, they doodle every single day. What you're learning today is actually somewhere down the line, you can actually become a Google doodler. How many of you use Google? Umar, Aisha, Mustira, Zainab, Ali. Oh yes, Ali, Khadija. All right. So now I'm going to show you a little game here. You have to make a choice. All right. I'll come to you and I'll let Aparna ma'am see the screen. The one who's raising the hand first, Aparna ma'am, you tell me the name and I'll go to them. All right. Once again, I'm just going to mute everybody. So only when I unmute you, you all have to open yourself. Hold on. There is Aparna ma'am. There you are. Aparna ma'am, you are
Yes, I'm
unmuted.
there.
Perfect. So we're going to share the screen and let's see if they can see a little game out there so they know why and how we're doing it. All of you, can you see the screen now?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. All right. So this is where we use Google Doodle. I'm going to show you some very famous Doodle done only by the kids and for the kids. Are you ready? And you have to tell me which one it is. All right. You have to raise your hand, everybody. Some of you are muted. Some of you, I think, have unmuted yourself. All right. This one. There is a Google Doodle with a plane in it. Can you see that? All right. Which one is it? Right brothers or wrong brothers? Who can tell me? Aparna ma'am, who should I go to?
Right brothers.
All right.
Right brothers.
Mustafa already said. Mustafa, all right, I'll accept it. Mustafa, mute yourself again. Good. But thank you. Right, brothers. All right. Aparna ma'am, we'll go to the next one. Can you see how they're Google and doodling? Lovely. Okay, this one. Can you see which one is he? Iron Man or Batman? Oh, no. All right. Umar Sadiq. All right. I'm gonna. So, ma'am, I'm going to unmute everybody now. So that'll be unfair on. Okay. Okay. Good enough. Can you see how they're doodling it? Where have you seen the doodle? This is interesting. All right. Okay. Two more here. Which one is this now? See, because of coronavirus, it's saying Google is telling us.
Play at home.
Oh, Umema. All right, Umema is right. It's fantastic. All right. Can I go to the next one? Okay, all of you are ready? On the 1, 2, 3, you're shouting again. I'll allow you to shout again. Here is it. Where are we going? See, this is India's mission. Where are we going? To moon or to earth? All right. Okay. Fantastic. Can I come to Aparna ma'am? And Aparna ma'am, can you tell us how is this? Misbah, you have to shout it out now. This is our little world of chaos. I'm allowing everybody. Aparna ma'am, how is this? This one is good? How did they doodle it nicely?
Yes. Actually, the voice is breaking. I can't hear everyone.
All right. I'm so sorry. I think I've just. Okay. I'm again going to mute everybody. So let me see if I can get Aparna man's input. All right. Yes. Ye wala. Okay. Good enough. Two more, and then we go back to your doodling part. Only you are unmuted. So now we will really go to someone who raises the hand. Okay. Which one is this? It says the tribute. This is an award-winning Google Doodle. And see how beautiful it's done. Who should I run to? It says to my mother or to my father? Okay, hold on. Who am I going to, ma'am?
Misbah.
Okay, finally. All right, this little girl. Misbah, can you okay, I'm unmuting you. Go ahead, tell me. To your mom?
Yes, sir.
Do you love your mom?
Yes, sir.
How much do you love? Do you love her 3,000 or do you love her only 500?
3 million.
Oh, look at this girl. 3 million.
I'm not Miss Bye,
Oh,
Mariam.
I'm so sorry, Mariam. I'm so sorry, Mariam. Yes, you are Mariam, of course. Right. I think you read the screen name. Right, absolutely. She was a
I'm
teacher
sorry.
last
Yeah,
time.
I'm reading the screen.
Yes. No, I know
Oh,
this girl
wow.
so well. Okay, I've got some answers on chat. I'll take the chat. I'll go to the next one. Now, this is a little difficult one. Okay. So, who's going to answer that, Aparna ma'am? Can I go to, you tell me. Hamna says, I love my mom infinity. Lovely, Hamna. Hamna, I also love my mom infinity. Who should I go to, ma'am? Then the two more and we're going back to doodling. Okay, can I run to Lafira and Nofel? Yeah, these two have been raising. Lafira and Nofel, tell me. Yeah, I've unmuted you. Go ahead.
Vikings.
Are you sure? Why do you say they're Vikings? Can you see that horn out there? Yeah? Oh, I don't have my videos off. Okay, can you see the horn out there? Right, that's the horn we are looking at. That's Viking. Your right answer, by the way. Wonderful. It's brilliant. You know, we say the word of Zulkarnain. That's also from the Viking. Good, Lafira and Nofel. Brilliant. Last one before I go again to doodling, and we'll do a little game again after that. I've got 10, 20 of these doodles for you. Last one for the time being. Which lab is this? Library or a science lab? Who is going to answer, ma'am? And then we quickly go. There's so many of them raising the hand. Who should I go to? Ali. All right, Ali. Yes, Ali. Go ahead. Unmute yourself, Ali. Okay. Ali, if it is, I can't hear you. If it's library, say one. If it is show with your finger, one. If it's science lab. Oh, yes. What? Library. Ali, see again. See again. Library or lab? Science lab?
Library.
Aparna ma'am, do you think Ali is right? Sorry, there you are. We missed you. 1 minute, I'll go one. Okay, hold on. I have to just quickly do the muting part of it. Unmute everything. Yes, tell me, Aparna ma'am. You have to unmute yourself, please.
Science lab. Science lab.
Right. Okay. Yes, it is the science. Absolutely, Hamna, Zainab. I got your answer. It is science lab. All right, brilliant.
Science lab. Science lab.
Brilliant. We are going back to ma'am now. And ma'am, the floor is yours. Yes, go ahead, please. All right. We are going to Ellie's friends now. Aparna ma'am, yes.
Yes. So now I'm going to make a friend for Ellie and you have to again guess which animal it is. So we make a circle and then we make an oval. One circle and one oval below it. Everybody can see me? If you're finished, can I see your drawing? Nofal? Great. Musaiba, great. Excellent. Can I go ahead? Can anybody guess? No, it's not a duck. Can I see your drawing? Lafira and Nofal?
I'm getting bird, duck, monkey. Mustafa says monkey.
No, it's not a monkey.
Lafira says giraffe. Umaima said duck.
Excellent.
Umar Sadiq says mom.
That's a good one. Okay. Whoever guessed giraffe is right.
Wow, that was oh, Hamna. Hamna and Lafira Nofil said giraffe. Wonderful, boys, and all of you girls as well. Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah, Umema. Umema says giraffe or mom? What did you say, Umema?
Okay, so now I want to know something about a giraffe. Who can tell me something about giraffe? You can type in. Yes, giraffe has long neck.
Absolutely. Long neck. It loves to eat leaves. Did I lose you, ma'am? Hopefully not. Absolutely fair enough. It's long neck.
It can run fast. It has long legs. Excellent. Long neck. Long neck to eat juicy leaves.
Good, everyone.
Yeah, it's the tallest mammal and it takes only 5 to 15 minutes sleep. Wow, I didn't know that. That's great. And what else? It drinks water only once in 2-3 days, you know. It doesn't need to drink water all the time.
See?
Has anyone finished? Can I see any thumbs? Can I see a drawing, Musfira? Oh, that's cute. Very nice, Hamdan, Khadija. Hamna. Musfira Rizwani, excellent. Mustafa Kazi, very nice. Amina, excellent. Okay, so now we'll make a small tail for the giraffe. Giraffe is strong animal. It does not lay eggs because it's a mammal. It's a mammal. It cannot touch the ground with its face, right?
All right. So this is wonderful. We're getting a lot of animals there, Aparna ma'am. Are we going good?
Yes, excellent. Can I continue now?
Yeah, you can continue. How many more animals we've got? We have 5 more minutes, so we'll do more. Don't worry. But I think the kids are enjoying the animals.
Uh, I wanted to make four, but whatever, like the time.
We'll do one more.
so time.
We can do the giraffe and we can do one more, so they'll have at least Ellie have some friends with them.
Yes, okay.
And
Okay,
all of you,
so the giraffe has.
yes, and the recording will be shared with you, and also the pictures of what Aparna ma'am makes it, so you can still go ahead and copy it. Yes, all of you out there.
Okay. Okay, so can I go ahead with the eyes?
Okay, yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
And the ears? And the horns? And the giraffe has some polka dots also on it. Omar, can I see it a little more close? Yeah, you can make the design on the giraffe. You can make the polka dots on the giraffe. Excellent, Lafira and Nopal. Lafira, you've done a great job. Aisha has done excellent. Umaima Patel, excellent. Mustafa Qazi, very nice, very nice. Yeah, Yaha Manyar, very nice. Please excuse me if I don't get your names. Hamdan, that's nice, very sweet. Aisha, I want to see your drawing. Hamna, excellent. Lafira and Nofal, very nice. Aisha, Famida, very nice. Khadija, nice, excellent. Let's make some leaves for the giraffe. And we are going to name her Jiffy.
Yay, Jiffy
So
the
Jiffy
giraffe.
and Ellie are best friends. Jiffy and Ellie would always roam about in the jungle together. But they both were very different, right? You know what the difference is between the elephant and giraffe? Giraffe is long and slim, elephant is fat and stout. But they used to love each other very much. They were best of friends. But the elephant was very unhappy. He felt that his ears were very funny. You know, he always thought that he was weird because of his big ears. And Giraffe was also not happy. Jiffy thought that she had extra long neck and she couldn't even bend down and touch her face to the ground. She couldn't drink water properly. So they both were unhappy in certain way. But then one day, Ellie thought that Jiffy is very lucky. When the grass on the ground gets over and there's no grass left, at least Jiffy, thanks to her long neck, could easily eat the juicy leaves of the tree. But the other animals couldn't do that. And Jiffy as well thought that Ellie was lucky because her huge ears, which looked funny to Ellie, but they were actually helping her cool her body when the heat was too much. So they both were very lucky in their own ways. You know? So, and they both found each other to be very special. So that's when they spoke to each other and Jiffy and Ellie started liking themselves. So you all have friends whom you all like, don't you all? But your friends are not like you, they are different. And you are different from your friend, but you are very special too. Have you finished with your drawing?
That's interesting. All right, you're doing very good. Fantastic. You want to take some comments, Aparna ma'am? So Lafira says
Yeah.
it's a gentle giraffe, legs can't bend. And Aisha and Ammar says it does not lay eggs. That's interesting. I like that. Okay, I'm going
Yes.
to unmute everybody because we are almost there. You want to add one more animal on a quick one? So you do it and then let them just see it. Perhaps they can try it at home later.
Okay, done. I'll do
Yeah,
one.
let's do one more. Yeah, so they will have 2-3 animal there, and then this one you follow and we'll see the recording again. So we'll let ma'am do her beautiful doodle out
Yes.
with us.
This one is really easy.
Okay, you can still guess it on the chats,
Okay.
everybody. Okay, Hamdan, you draw a Jiffy and the baby Miffy. Hold on, I'll see yours, Hamdan, soon. Okay, who's telling me what animal is this, or is it a bird? Whoa, so Amina says it's a swan.
No.
Not a swan. Is it a rabbit? Oh, I can see a pouch coming out. Is it jumping? All right, so you all get it. It's okay. Tell me what's a baby kangaroo called? That's a lovely one. What's a baby kangaroo called? Quickly, who's gonna tell me in the chat? Mustafa. All right, brilliant, Mustafa. It's a Joey.
Excellent.
Right, ma'am. Go ahead.
Joey. Okay, so let's name this kangaroo. Kangi.
Okay. And what will you call Joey, ma'am?
Joey will be Roo. Let's call it Roo. Baby Roo.
Lovely. All right. So, what?
So,
You go ahead, ma'am.
yes. So, what do you know about kangaroos? Kangaroos are famous for what?
I'm opening them up so they can speak up in the last few minutes. All right. Everyone's unmuted. You take your time and speak up. It's a little crazy. All right. Hold on. 1 minute. You can unmute yourself and speak up. Just tell your name and then raise your hand. Let ma'am come to you.
Miss Mariam.
Okay, Mariam, could you?
They jump long jump.
Okay, Umaima.
Yes,
Umaima says they can
Umaima.
jump. All right, Umaima. Umaima, can you jump so much?
No.
You know how much a kangaroo can jump? It can
Yes.
hop 9 meters in one single jump. And it can only hop. It cannot run. It cannot walk.
कैसा kangaroo बना? बस.
What else do you know about kangaroo?
We can find kangaroos in Australia.
Excellent. Yes, you can find
And-
kangaroo in Australia.
Aisha and Ammar says they have pockets for their baby.
Yes.
Expert
Okay, Musfira Rizwani said Joey sometime back. All right, nice. What else do you want to talk about kangaroos?
They are very tall.
Okay.
All. Okay. And what does a bushy tail do? It's a muscular, thick tail. The kangaroo can rock its baby balancing on the tail, you know, like a rocking chair.
Interesting. All right, so there we are. Now, who will tell me of the 3 animals that you draw today that you drew, which one did you like the most? Which is your favorite one?
Jiffy, Ellie and kangaroo.
Okay, which one did you like the most? Okay, let me go. Umaima, tell me which one.
Jiffy.
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 Umar Jadwat, which one did you like the most?
Ellie.
Ellie.
Roo.
Mustafa, Roo. Okay, Aisha, which one did you like the most? Yeah, Aisha, tell me.
The elephant.
The elephant.
And
Okay, Zingi, which one did you like the most? Zainab?
Kangi.
Kangi. All right. Zainab, I didn't hear you. Shout again, please.
Kangaroo and Jiffy.
Okay, Hamna.
I like Roo.
Nice. Khadija, I didn't hear you today. Khadija, can I unmute?
I like Roo.
Roo, all right. Yahya, which one did you like the most? Yahya?
तुमको कौन सा अच्छा लगा?
Just some.
Yahya liked all. Okay. Misbah, which one did you like the most?
I like.
Sorry, Mariam. I'm so sorry. Mariam.
I like.
Okay, nice. All right. There, all of you. Now you can tell your ma'am how much you liked it.
I like Jiffy.
You like Jiffy? All right, Jiffy. Aparna ma'am, they are all yours. Just go ahead and explain to them why did you cook. We have quick questions for you now. Where is Aparna ma'am? All right.
Yes, I'm there.
Okay,
One
so
second.
okay, oh, yeah, I'll just, so everyone's, I'm muting everybody so I can speak to Aparna ma'am. Ma'am, thank you so much for doing this amazing show, this doodling work for us. Were you always a good artist and a sketcher in school as well?
Yes, I always
Alright.
loved it, though I didn't take any training, but it's always been a passion. Yeah.
Wonderful. And if you could be any one color in a crayon box, which color would you be?
Yellow.
Yellow, oh, bright, sunny yellow. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being a wonderful,
Thank you
mentor
so
for the
much.
kids.
Thank
You just
you. I
sparked the
really enjoyed
inquiry. All of you, did you enjoy? Can you show me a thumbs up that if you liked it?
Thank you so
Wow.
much, all of you.
I'm getting a big thumbs up. Umaima is giving a applause out there. They're all enjoying right out there. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye bye, everybody.